Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
You trust your cameras to watch your home, right? But what if someone is watching you instead? The shocking answer is yes, especially if your video stream isn't encrypted. Here's how it happens. Hackers use a technique called packet sniffing, and it's a huge vulnerability for your home. Think of it like this. An unencrypted stream is basically a postcard. Anyone can just pick it up and read it.
As that postcard travels over your Wi-Fi, it's completely exposed. Encryption turns it into a locked letter.
So how exactly do they pull this off? Well, it's actually way easier than you might think. They use free, easy-to-find software to just snatch those unencrypted video streams right out of the air. And this isn't just some theory. It happens all the time, especially with cheaper cameras. On a compromised network, that means your feed is 100% vulnerable, just wide open. So how do you lock that digital door? Okay, let's get into your 3-step defense plan. With just 3 simple steps, you can build a digital fortress around your private video feed. First up, choose cameras with end-to-end encryption. Think of E2EE as a personal bodyguard for your feed. Next, lock down your Wi-Fi with WPA3. This protects everything on your network, not just the camera. So why should you care? Because your family's privacy isn't a commodity, it's absolutely everything. It really makes you think, doesn't it? You lock your front door, but are your data streams locked? Subscribe to this channel. Like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.